What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Stag voiceover. My name is Neil Glasgow. Well, it's nearly Christmas here. It's 17th of December. Hope you're well, hope you're safe, hope the family is doing all the right things. Keeping safe, keeping healthy, keeping distant. I've had a shocker today, and I wanted to make this video so that I can warn you against maybe having some of the same problems that I've had today. And actually the remedy that I have managed to implement is something that you should really be prepared to do. So let's get into it. So I had the home studio nightmare today. When you're working at home and all of your recordings are on your laptop or on your desktop, and you've got to be able to use that machine to do all your recording and send it off and render it and master it and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, mine blew up today. It took me 3 hours this morning to just get it to a point where I could recover some of my backup stuff. I very foolishly hadn't backed up anything since Thursday last week, which is really unusual for me. It's been an internet issue and a couple other bits. But what I wanted to really tell you about and make sure that you do is, and I'm going to put up a big thing here, back it up. Just back up. Whether you're using Dropbox or OneDrive or an external hard drive or whatever it might be, when you're doing your voiceover, back up everything every time that you record. That way, if something like has happened to me today, where I've had to go out and get a new computer, a few days before Christmas, lovely, great spending all that money, but it's the writing's been on the cards for a little while. That laptop has been struggling a little bit. Backing up your work means that all you need to do is reload some of your settings onto this new laptop or old laptop or spare laptop, whatever you might be using. It just means that you don't have to spend ages re-recording what you've done, trying to recover what you've done. Always save off your machine if and when you can. What I'll be able to do off of the back of me reinstalling all my programs and reconfiguring my DAW, that's going to be fun, is I can just download anything I need, and actually all of my completed work and renders and samples are saved on my Dropbox, which is my preferred offline storage unit. But it does mean that I haven't really lost much work, lost a little bit, but I haven't really lost much work in changing desktops, and I've only really lost what I have because of my own errors, which is, like I say, what I wanted to talk to you about. I don't want you to make that same mistake. So take an image. If you understand the terminology of that, an image is essentially a system snapshot of your hard drive and the way that everything's configured on that. Keep that in a separate storage box so that you can reload that onto a new or old laptop, or if you need to repair the laptop you have or desktop, do that. But every time that you save and every time you work on a new piece of audio, make sure that it is saving as well as to your main machine to an external drive. It is really, really worth having that. I don't want to really labour that point. I'll keep this video fairly short, but I did really, it sucked this morning. Really sucked. Don't have this nightmare, and it can be a genuine nightmare. If you're not able to get your work back, if you've lost all of that, I've known people that have lost near entire audiobooks, weeks and months of work that they have to redo, that they're not getting paid for twice. So yeah, hope that helps. If you've liked the video, like and subscribe. If you hated it, fine, smash the dislike button as well. Today I just kind of feel like I deserve that, but hope this video does help. And remember, you can absolutely be a voiceover artist. Have an amazing Christmas, have an amazing New Year, and hopefully we'll all come out of it happier and healthier in 2021. See you soon.